Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the devices that are connected to your Google account. Let me tell you this, if you are someone that uses a lot of Google services such as Gmail, Google Chrome, Android, Google Map, and many more, it is likely that your personal information and sensitive information has been stored. As a result, it is very important to closely monitor whoever is accessing your account. And for you to be able to closely monitor who is accessing your account, Google has made this easy for you. Now let's look at how you'll be able to see the devices that are connected to your account. Fast forward, I will open my Google Chrome. Now, after opening my Google Chrome, I will come to this side. Now you can see that my account name is showing. Right beside it, I have some dots over there. I'll click it, which says Google Apps. I'll hit on it. Now I'll get something like this. I'll choose the first one, which says Account. Now, after opening my account, I will locate to this left side, then look for security. So this is my security. I will hit on it. After opening the security, I will navigate down, down, down and look for your devices. So this is actually showing all the devices that I have my Google account logged in on them. So I will click on manage all devices. Now after clicking on manage all devices, this is showing me the devices that I am connected. My account is on. Now let's look at the first one. It says 5 sections on Mac computers. That means my account is in 5 sections of Mac computers. Then we have 5 sections on Windows. I also have 2 sections on Android phones. Then 1 section on an iPhone. So let's say I want to delete one account, or I want to delete or log out from one particular device. How do I go about it? Now I'll click on this particular one. This is my current section. No, I don't want to delete this one. Let me go back, then go to the Android, the Windows. So I'll come down to this particular one, 2024. So I'll click on it, then I'll see that I'm connected to this particular window. So I want to log out so that this device will no longer have access to my account again. I'll click on log out. Now it will ask me if I am sure to remove it. I'll say sign out. Now, okay. So this is basically how to see the devices that have your account on them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you follow this channel if you find it productive or educative. Subscribe and like. If you have any question for me, put it at the comment section for me. Thank you.